guys, today is another round of product review. The Baseus T2 wireless smart tracker is the two-way anti-loss device. So let's take a look at the design. It measures 3 by 2 centimeter and is very thin. Alright, and the battery can be replaced here. Just peel off this cover and that's it. You can replace the battery easily. So just clip it on. Alright, you can peel it from here. There's a grip for you over here. Alright, let's pair it with the handphone and see how it works. So first of all, you guys have to download this Baseus Smart Apps. So once you download, you need to use your email to log it in. So after that, you can add the device by pressing this plus sign. So we look for the Baseus T2, just add. Alright, press for 2 seconds, 3 seconds, 1, 2, right, it beep and it binds successfully. Right, so they are connected. So once they are connected, you can use this app to find the device. Just for example, you just press the find and this device will sound the alarm, which is quite loud, about 90 dB. Okay, this is how it will sound. So once you have found your device, you just press done. Done. Okay, and that's it. So let's say if you lost this device and they are not within range, just for example, off the Bluetooth. Alright, as you can see, your T2 is disconnected. So both your handphone and the device will sound the alarm simultaneously. Okay, and this is the two-way anti-loss device. So once you press the Bluetooth, it is connected back. Alright, you can see here it is connected. So this is how it works, and you can change the avatar, the name, and it will show you the battery level, and you can change the alert type, the ringtone, ring option. Okay, you can change the ringtone, and there's a do not disturb mode, which you can set for the zone and the timing. So basically this device is very useful when you are tied to your valuables, or you can put inside your wallet. So when your things are dropped on the floor or hiding somewhere inside the sofa, you can find it using these handphone apps. It's very useful and easy. But once this device get out of range, these two, the handphone and the device, will sound alarm simultaneously, just to warn you that they are out of range. And for the range, it's about 10 meters in indoors and about 30 meters outdoor in an open wide environment. Alright, and that's all for today's video. So I do hope that this video is helpful. So please hit the bell, put a like, and please subscribe. Do stay tuned for more budget gadget coming up next, and stay safe and healthy. So we'll see you soon. Bye.